welcome back. Okay, it's cold out here. I have the heater on. It's taking a little bit of the chill out if you're sitting next to it, but anyway. Okay, so today the idea was to mount these braces onto the bed of the Range Rover. I have a crazy idea. I was thinking about this because we talked about how we think we'll have to either one, fill these holes so that we can weld to that piece. And then it occurred to me, why not just use a screw? I think I could get these attached through these existing holes that I popped, mount that up with all of those screws, these bolts, excuse me, not screws, bolts, all those bolts, and bolt that into all of those positions. Now it would require me to drill a couple of holes because I was not quite all the way through on several of them, but I'm not afraid. And then I wouldn't have to weld anything up, and I could mount that. Now, problems. Vibration. I would not want this to vibrate loose, so I would not use a traditional bolt nut. I'm gonna go get nylox. They'll need to be stainless because I don't want them to rust. And I need stainless washers, which I think I have plenty of. Is that a terrible idea? I don't think it's that terrible.
You're fooling yourself.
It will sure be quick. I'll be done with it today. And I can put it in the truck. I am still gonna have to weld though, because these are all holes and those all have to be welded in the truck. I think this is a great idea. So I'm watching Tumbleweed Garage, and he's talking about how he's gonna put his bed together, and I'm watching him use these bolts and stick them in there, and I'm like, that reinforces exactly what I was just thinking about. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So it's time to count holes and go get some hardware, because I have enough hardware. I probably could get it done with what I've got on hand, but I don't want to deplenish my stocks. So I'm gonna go get some hardware, I think. And I've got a coupon, so if I go over 50 bucks, I'll get a little back. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I wish you were here so you could tell me this is a terrible idea. Or genius, which sometimes genius ideas are terrible. I'm back. Okay, I gave up a long time ago trying to make sure that everything was metric on this truck. I do what I can with what I have, where I am, Teddy Roosevelt. So I went down to the hardware store and all they had was a quarter, so they only had the American ones. So I couldn't get enough M8s, M7s, or M6s. M8 was too big, M7 perfect, M6 too small. They didn't have enough M7 to do the job. So I'm gonna go with what I was able to get. So I bought bulk. While I was there, this older fella, probably same age as me, maybe a little older, comes up to me and goes, "That's crazy." And he shows me this picture off his phone of 100 stainless steel fender washers for like right under $14 off of Amazon, and they're charging $1 a piece there at the store for them. So what you would charge for 14 of those, you could get 100 if you bought it online. Such is life. So, all right, so what do we got to do next? All right, we're gonna have to drill some holes for the places that are missing. Gosh, Eric, what are you gonna do about the waterproofness of this? Yeah, that's a good question. I'm thinking at this point, let's put some sealer on it. I don't know. Maybe we weld them after they're mounted. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. So I'm gonna have to think about it. I'm not that worried about it, honestly. It is the back. It's gonna have some pad. Any water it gets on top of this is gonna be coated. It's gonna be covered in truck bed liner probably or something. So I'm not expecting a lot of rust. Yeah, I'm crazy. That's insane. I should expect rust always, but nonetheless, that's where we're gonna be with it. So let's crack on, as they say across the pond, and drill some holes and get this thing done. Here we go. All right, let's get one of these. Let's get a pair mounted up, and then we'll mark some holes. How's that sound? That's a great idea, Eric. Thank you. I thought that was a great idea too. All right, let's get a quarter. Okay, this is down. Oh, did we make a giant mistake? No, we didn't. Okay. This is this way. Oh, is that right? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Not gonna be able to wear with gloves on today. Too cumbersome. All right, let's sort this out. All right, what do we got here? Big hole, big hole. Close to the edge, close to the edge, getting close to the edge, right there. One. One. All right, let's see if we can get this done from the bottom here. Where are you? Oh, of course I picked one right next to a strap. Of course I did. Be silly. All right, there's a lot of wiggle room in that. I hope it's right over here. I'm gonna have to cut that. Who knows? That's probably where it was, though. Well, maybe not. Wonder if that's even the right one. There is a front and the back on these, so let's get the other one and see if those holes line up better with that one. Because I might have the wrong one in the wrong space. Let's try the other one. That will change what I gotta do because I haven't painted this one yet. Damn it. It's gonna do that off camera. All right, let's get this one lined up here. Line up much better. Oh, get on there. Get in there. Come on. This is fun to watch. My hands are not that cold. I should not be struggling this much. All right, let's get another bolt. Let's get another bolt, line it up over here somewhere in a hole. There's a good one. There's a good one. Yep, that's what happened. I had the wrong support beam in the wrong place. Okay, so we'll be doing the middle one today while I wait for the paint to dry on the other one. And we'll get this all bolted up. All right. This also allows us to put our D-rings in later. Yes. All right. So those holes line up pretty good. One. We need a drill here, drill here, and somewhere in there it's going to need a drill hole as well. Oh, you see that one over there? Yeah. All right. So let's cinch these up so they don't go anywhere, and then I'll drill through while it's in place. Cinching these up. All right. I think I like this plan. It's a good plan. I like it. This is the crazy part of no return. It's like, are you sure you really wanted to do that? Well, it's late now. Yippers. We good. We good. All right. Let's get some more in place. Dun, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, 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 da. Dun, dun, da, 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 da. Okay, so we have D-rings that go in here. I need to find some good spots for D-rings because I have an idea about strapping stuff to the bed. So somewhere in the middle here we need the D-ring mounts. We'll do that too. All right. Find the bottom. Where's your one? Alrighty, let's get them started. Okay. Where are we doing it? Do this fastest, bestest way. Work hard, smarter, not harder. Work smarter, not harder. Simple, easy, just sexy. Those nailed down tight and some seam sealer around them. or just spray over the top of them with bed liner. Mostly waterproof, I bet. Let's get our D-rings. I wonder if I can find them. Found them. It's almost like all of the projects I ever start, I always lose track of something. D-rings! I start stuff and then I lose track of where I put that project. I'll buy something for a project and then I don't remember where I put the pieces, and then I'll buy another set. And then guess what I find the week I finish my project. So that will work just like that. So the finished product, we can put those either here in the middle, somewhere in the middle, so that when I put my cases in, I can strap them down to something. I thought about putting them out here on the rim, but I'm not sure yet where the best place for these are. But I have them, so I'm gonna get them out and put them on top of a counter so I won't lose them. That's what I'm gonna not lose these. So you witness me putting them right in that bucket. All right, that's it. That's it for this week. It's cold. It's cold outside. It's probably cold where you are. We had a big old cold front come in. Snow came down. It was nasty. It's gonna get worse this week. One of the predictor guys is like snowpocalypse on Wednesday or Tuesday, whatever day it is. And it will be nasty and ugly, he says. So maybe not, I don't know. It got up to, it thinks it's in the mid 50s in here. So that's not terrible. Could be worse, but it's gonna be worse this week. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. It's probably a short video. I don't know. Probably short, yeah. All right, I'll talk to you next week.